Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing SBX My Little Pony collab. There are 6 regular styles and 2 secret chase in this collection. Let's open the first one. Oh my gosh, what is this? Got the mini secret chase in the first pull. So excited! Look, the packaging is super delicate. It comes with a protective bag to prevent scratches on the face. Sunset Shimmer. Hair is fully covered with hairnets, such great details. The ears are satin made, shiny and look so sacred. The makeup looks absolutely gorgeous. Eyes are translucent green with tiny flowers inside. The eyes are rotatable. This gaze is so charming. There are also embroidered sun patterns on it. The soles are also golden. The accessories on the outfit have great texture. The identity card is frosted. Pinkie Pie. This one is in sitting posture. Looks so sweet and gentle. Just like a little princess. Its big watery blue eyes are so pretty. Pinkie Pie wears many head ornaments, just like a little candy. The color matching is gorgeous, full of dopamine vibe. Curly pink hair, kinda like the Barbie dolls we played with as kids. The heart on the chest is sewn directly onto Pinkie Pie's dress. Such cute little ears. The secret ID card has a frosted finish. The regular ID card has a glossy surface. Twilight Sparkle. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Its eyes are as beautiful as crystals. The soles and ears of this one are made of fabric. Same embroidered patterns. The hair is silky smooth and the color is perfectly restored. Twilight Sparkle, we love you. The scarf is removable. It's fluffy all over. Rarity. Rarity's ears are also made of satin. The makeup is incredibly detailed, with pink-purple glitter on the blush. The pom-poms on both sides are made of different materials. Plump little balls. The fur feels incredibly soft, who gets it? Patterns on the back of the head. The color scheme looks so elegant and luxurious. Both Rarity and Pinkie Pie are sitting, they look so adorable. Rainbow Dash. Eye-catching rainbow hair. The pom-poms are embroidered. Little rainbow. There's a tiny lightning mark on its face. The scarf looks leather-like and great in quality. The socks feel fluffy. It is fixed on the feet. The hair is so gorgeous and colorful. Super cool rainbow dash. The scarf is also removable. Applejack. Applejack has the thickest and longest hair among them. The mallard color scheme is so pretty. There is an embroidered apple on it. There are woven decorative straps on the chest. There are apples on the feet too. Her eyes are just like green apples. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.